If you're looking for the speed adjustment on the Pfaff creative icon, you'll find it right here on the side of your machine. So this would be how to have the fastest speed, or if you push down, the slowest speed. You'll see that on screen it will kind of indicate by orange bars if you're going full speed or half speed. And where do I adjust the speed? So sometimes when we are doing decorative stitches, if you feel like you're just going way too fast, you can always bring that down a little bit. Sometimes I use speed adjustment when I'm sewing with a youngster, because then that way they can find that they can use the start-stop button and sew at a nice, short, easy speed that they can control, that would allow them to find a nice, easy way to guide the fabric straight. They can push the stop button, know that the machine is going to stop, and a great way to sew without a foot control, because those little ones don't always understand how fast a machine can go. So that is where the all the way down to the bottom would be. For those of you free motion quilting for the first time, you might find me talking about slowing it down about half speed. Then that way, as you're free motion quilting, you can find a nice even rhythm for the speed of the machine and your hands to move the fabric around. There's just times where it just feels right to go a little bit slower. So whether you're using your foot control and pushing it down all the way and having that reduced speed, or using your start-stop button, this is a great, easy way to adjust it right at your fingertips while you're sewing. So it's just the right speed.